everybody, this is just a quick update on some of my seed starting that I've done this year. I've started using this new tray. It worked pretty good, 36 cell count, and it had this seed starting medium in it. Not quite soil, no real nutrients in this stuff. You just add water to it and it just puffs up. And it seemed to work pretty good, easy to work with, didn't take too long to soak up the water, so it worked good. So I started with some lobelia seeds. These seeds were pretty tiny. I mean, like specks of dust. So to plant these, you just kind of push them into the dirt. You don't even really need to cover them at all. And this is what they look like now. Looking pretty good. I'm going to separate these and put these into baskets, in clumps anyhow. Next we have some dahlias that I start from seed. Now I've used this mix before and it worked very well, but these seeds are a little old, so I didn't get a lot of germination from these seeds, but what I got I was pretty happy with. These seeds just go down maybe 3 millimeters down. Easy to plant, and this is what they look like now. I think I got 2 plants out of this. Like I said, the seed was old. Next, we have gomphrena. Gomphrena is one of my favorite plants in the garden as far as annuals go, and they're so easy to plant. So I have the purple gomphrena, or they're also called globe amaranth. And these don't go down very deep. I just use the dibbler just to make the tiniest little hole. And these seeds are almost a little fluffy. They're kind of soft little white seeds. I got them through somebody on Facebook Marketplace. And I just barely cover up these little seeds. And this is what they look like now. About every seed germinated. Strong, healthy plants. Now I've saved some seeds from the Scotch bonnet pepper that we seem to use so often in our various cooking dishes. So I saved some of the seeds, dried them out, and decided I was going to plant them, because to buy a plant in the store, a plant already up and going, it cost me almost $10, and I decided I am not doing that this year. So I saved my seeds. I planted them, not very deep at all, and covered them up. And this is, and I also planted some California Wonders. I planted those from seeds that I purchased, as well as from some seeds that I saved from supermarket peppers. And this is what they look like now. Now I've already up-potted some of these peppers, and I think I have to up-pot a few of them once again. I also got some oriental lilies. I love these. I try to get some every year. Although they do come back, they are perennial for me in my Zone 6 garden, but I like to add a few more. And these ones were already sprouting in the bag in the store. I guess it was, once they get a little warm, they start to sprout. So I thought, okay, these are already starting to grow. So I potted these up in each little individual containers. As you can see here, they're all sprouting. There was one that was kind of a little rotten. I just threw that one away. But most of them were nice and hard. And like I said, already started sprouting. Now these took no time to grow at all. They've already started sprouting. None of them have flowered indoors, but a few of them have really taken off. And of course, Zuri had to be here helping me to keep these well watered. But this is what they look like now. Well, that's all for now. I'll keep you updated on how these seedlings are going. Don't forget, give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.